Savar's Toy View. Welcome to Savar's Toy View. In today's vlog, I will play with Power Rangers.
Oh, wow. Let me see. This is a Power Ranger. It's a big game. Yeah. Oh, wow. Okay. So are you excited to play with?
Super excited!
Okay, so how are you gonna play with?
Oh, look at this new Power Ranger.
Okay.
And see this red guy?
Mm-hmm.
He's a bad guy, and he has to fight him.
Mm-hmm.
And he has to die him and fight him.
Mm-hmm.
And see this?
Mm-hmm.
These two, he's gonna come on here and he's gonna come on here. Then when you press this, they're both gonna fight.
Okay, let's see. Let's open this game, okay?
Okay, and just wait a second. Look, see this on top? If I spin it, bam!
Uh-huh. Oh, wow.
Is a gun.
Okay.
And you wanna open this, guys?
Yes.
I open this, look!
Oh, there's a lights too inside, huh?
Yeah.
It turns on and off, huh? Yeah. Yeah, that's a nice toy, huh? Yeah.
Hey guys, what's up? I'm the Power Ranger.
Okay, let me see the Power Ranger. Okay, yeah. Wow.
And look at the skyline.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Okay. So who's gonna win, you think?
I think the Good Ranger.
Good Ranger?
This is the good one.
Uh-huh.
Hey guys, look! The bad guy. Hey! Power Ranger! Well, I'm a bad guy. You wanna fight? Oh yeah, let's go fight. Oh no! You are never gonna beat me. I'm the Power Ranger. I'm the Power Ranger. Give up now. Never. Bam. Ow.
Yeah, the Power Ranger is so strong, huh?
No. Ha. Oh no.
Oh.
I steal yours. Hey, don't steal my Power Ranger. No, not my sword. Oh. No. Give up now. Give up.
Oh, wow.
Oh no. Oh no, I'm gonna fall in the water if you don't hit me. Yeah, I am. Give up now.
Ooh. Wow.
Oh, he got hurt. No, I didn't. I have one more. I'm not gonna use it. Come over here. Bam,
Oh. Uh-huh.
bam, bam.
Can you turn on this side here?
Hey guys.
Yeah.
Bam.
Oh.
Whoa, hey.
He pushed it hard, huh? That is okay.
Bam, bam.
Yeah.
You're dead.
He get down that red one, huh?
Yeah.
The Power Ranger win, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, and he gonna put him in a jail. Okay, where is the jail? Let me see here. Okay. Yeah, so he put him in a jail. Hey, yeah, the bad guys needs to be good. Yes.
Hey guys.
Okay.
I'm the Power Ranger.
You just gonna be. Can you let him see too? You just.
Hey guys, I'm the Power Ranger. Hello. He fell out of the jail. Oh, Hey no! Come back over here. No, you are never gonna beat me. Come back over here. Uh-oh, he's running away from him. Oopsie, he's running away. You never can run away from me. Yeah, I can.
Yeah.
Yeah, kick down on my building. Whoa, Look, he got banged.
Yes.
Ha! Whoa, Now let's get off here and get off here. Get back in jail. Put your hands behind your back. Come on, let's go back in jail. Open. Never come out of jail, okay? Let's see where is he.
Okay, you want to tell your subscribers?
Okay.
Thank you.
Subscribe to my channel and give my video a thumbs up and share your love. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.